Huh?
You've been fucking with me.
They have?
Yes.
Well, Carla was cleaning it a bit last time.
Yeah, no, I actually cleaned it out.
You actually cleaned it out?
Yeah, I had to.
Yeah, it was stolen, huh?
Yeah, definitely. So then take that other key off for sure.
Oh, erase it. Okay, yeah. That's a good idea. All right, we'll get it done.
I don't know where the hell my purse.
What's this thing?
I don't know. What is that?
I don't know. Some sort of tracker? I don't know.
Is it?
I don't know.
What is that?
I just see it here. Okay.
Yeah, make sure.
Some sort of kill switch, maybe?
Let's change it to red, whatever.
Or is it just lights?
Oh no, yeah, the lights.
Oh, gotcha. All right, we'll get it done. All right, afternoon. I did this car already, but she was jumped a couple days ago. And they stole her key and her house key. So I'm gonna do her house as well. 2, 4, 2, 1. Lock it. I did lock it. Alright, door key's done. I'm gonna use this machine to program it, hopefully. I don't think I did that last time. Doing a Chrysler, select by area. It's a Chrysler 200, like a 2016. Here we go. Read password. Okay, we got our password. Keep programming. That's cool, puts all the information in for you. Oh, we want to do erase. I'm going to do it again here in a minute. Did it take? I don't know. Matching phone. I'm going to do no. We're going to do key clearing. Clear complete. Let's read the key count, 0. Key programming. We have to check this battery. Matching failure. So I'm walking back towards my car. For some reason it does that. I walk back and then as I'm walking away, I hit the button and it programs. So, I don't know. Whatever. Sorry guys, I stopped the camera. See, it still says 0. I'm gonna hit no. The car's gonna start.
Yes, my guy.
Got you. Yep.
Yes.
All right, let's do the next one.
Yeah, they're way littler. And the girl is doing my sister. And in the video, we're at Hi-Fi at a club in Scottsdale. I'm walking, but mind you, Angel, you know I've been telling you about this girl, right or wrong.
Wait, what happened? So your key was found?
Huh?
Your key was found?
No, my first key from when you first came.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How'd you get that one back? I thought the guy stole your car.
Yeah. Yes, I just, because I was a friend, I forgot to tell you.